We are going to configure PHP MySQL Apache project using Docker Compose. This is my starting setup. It has codebase and SQL file, as well as Apache and PHP configuration files. We will analyze these files and put into their correct place. The suggested approach is to use PHP and Apache in one container, but still some DevOps prefer to use two different containers for PHP and Apache, as they do not want to install any packages inside an image, because it is time consuming while creating containers, as well as it makes the image heavier. In this video, we will see second approach where Apache and PHP are in two different containers. I am going to create Docker Compose YML file here. My Docker Compose version is 2. I am going to create 3 services: PHP FPM, Apache, and database. Under PHP FPM, my Docker file is under folder PHP. This is container name. Under volumes, I am going to map the code base inside Docker container. Now we need to change the owner and group of this code base inside Docker container. I am going to give same user and group which is running PHP process. And after changing user and group, I need to run the PHP FPM process also. Otherwise, my Docker container will not be running. I have added these commands under entry point. Now I am going to map the port. PHP is running on port 9000. I am going to map it with host port, and if container is not running, it will be restarted always. Under Apache, my Docker file is under Apache folder. This is container name. And I am going to map the same codebase in Apache container also. So PHP in Apache container codebase will be synced. Now I'm going to map the port. Under database, Docker file will be under MySQL folder. This is container name. And I'm going to map the volumes first SQL file. So whenever container will be created, this SQL file will be imported. And then if data should be persistent, so I'm going to map the MySQL data with the host folder. So when new container will be created, I will be able to see the same data. Now I'm going to map the MySQL port. Under environment, this is MySQL root password, MySQL username, and MySQL password, as well as MySQL database. I am going to use same user password and database inside db configuration file of PHP. Now I am going to create folder MySQL. Here I am putting this SQL file, so it will be imported inside MySQL container. If you see the file, this is the setup of database. Now I'm going to create Docker file. I need MySQL 5.6 image. Now Apache folder for Apache service. Here I need these two configuration files. If you see this virtual host file, I am using PHP container process that is running on port 9000. This is my localhost and I am using the document root this code base. So Apache folder will be able to access project. Now Apache configuration file, I need to use htaccess in my project, so that's why I have used a override all. So htaccess will work in my project. Now I'm going to create Docker file. First I'm going to pull the image Ubuntu Apache 2, then I'm going to copy this virtual host file inside Apache configuration. Now I'm going to replace this Apache 2 conf file with the existing file. Now I need to enable some module like proxy HTTP, rewrite for htaccess, and proxy FCGI. It is accessing PHP process. Now I'm going to create PHP folder. This is PHP configuration file. I want to uncomment this log based attributes. This parameter I need to uncomment it. By default these were commented. I need the logs. If in case there is any error, I need to know. So that's why I am replacing this PHP configuration file. Now inside Docker file, I am pulling this PHP 7.4 image. Then I'm going to copy this configuration file inside container. And I need to enable MySQL module. Now if you see, there are no Docker images and no containers. Now I'm running Docker Compose up. Okay, containers are created. These images are pulled and all three containers are running. Now I'm accessing my project using localhost. This is accessing Apache container. The login page is up. I'm trying to log in to see if MySQL is working fine. Okay, my application is up. I am able to access my application. All modules are visible also. I'm going to check if it is able to save some new values. Okay, it is working fine. So that's how you can configure PHP MySQL using Docker Compose. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you for watching.